Okay, Garden Grove, California. Got a kitchen exhaust here. A lot of grease on the roof. This fan here doesn't have a discharge, like you see there. So what I was told is that the previous company was coming in, just cleaning the hood and the plenum downstairs. And they were not going on the roof to clean anything up here. This one here, not so dirty. Right here, that's an upsweep. This fan does not have it. So we're gonna need to make one of those, do a full initial cleanup, get this roof area cleaned up, and then most importantly do preventive maintenance cleaning from top to bottom, including the hood, ductwork, fans on the roof, doing that every service. Bryan Exhaust Service will take care of it.